the jumpers ni Sam.
Coach, what can you say about the victory mo?
Well, we're happy to be back on top. And you know, mas makakatulong sa amin itong victory ito going into our San Sebastian and Letran games, including CSP on Wednesday. And we just want to finish strong. So you know, happy for the guys. You know, they followed defensive rules, made stops. We're back in our own game. We played our normal game.
How does it feel?
I'll feel very happy if we win the championship.
What were your defensive rules kanina?
Ba malaman eh.
Secret.
De coach, yung mga jumper ni Ekpe mo, unstoppable siya kanina sa mga...
Hindi naman. Nagmimintis din. Pero you know, his confidence is back. And that's good for him. You know, at least meron siyang inside-outside game. And medyo mahihirapan sila to play him. You know.
Coach, I noticed kanina parang you were coaching Pong Escobar more during the crucial stages. Parang inaano mo talaga siya.
Yeah. Asa balikat niya lahat yung ano. Malaki dinadala ni Pong. You know, he's playing his last year. He wants a 3-peat. He wants to win. You know, magandang send-off to para kay Pong going to the pros. And it's his responsibility to bring this team up. That's why talagang tinutukan ko siya going towards the end. I don't want him faltering. I don't want him committing errors. I don't want him making bad decisions. The guy is good. He's good.